back to my channel. So this time welcome back in real, yes, because it feels like forever that I filmed a video for my channel. So yes, again welcome back to my channel. स्वागत कर लो guys मेरा. I know it's been long. So guys, बहुत सारे changes आ गए. Like I came back to Bangalore from my hometown and I shifted to a new flat, new weather, new Ricky. Everything is new, guys. So yeah, finally I'm here with one challenge वाला video. Yes, and वो challenge है कि how to do a makeup, full face makeup with 3 bare minimum product. Okay, so this makeup look is done with 3 bare minimum products जो कि मैं इस वीडियो में बताने जा रही हूँ. So guys, without any further ado, let's directly jump to the video and देखते हैं कि how I created this look. Ta-da! So hey guys, this is my face without makeup and now I'm gonna do makeup with 3 bare minimum products जो कि है, one is this foundation, next mascara and this lipstick. Okay, so let's see how it goes with 3 products. So guys, I have moisturized my face so well, like moisturizer तो चाहिए ही होता है, तो I'll not count that in extra product. So it's only 3 products. So yes, I have moisturized my face. Now I'm gonna use this foundation. This is MAC जो कि मेरा shade है MAC NC42. So I'll take a bit. Alright, so guys, always make sure कि आप foundation लगाने से पहले primer लगाएं because that is very important. But यहाँ पे 3 product के साथ करना है तो I'm skipping that step. Okay, so I'm taking one beauty blender. Adding foundation all over, so make sure you dab it properly, guys. This is important. So as I told in many of my videos, dabbing is the key, so dab. So guys, one more thing, never swipe the product, always try to dab it. Like it will mix very firmly and it will give you the flawless look. See the difference? So I'm using very light product, but still this MAC coverage is very good, that's why it's my favorite. So same, I'll do it here first. See the glow, man, like this product is awesome. Guys, do you think you need a concealer? Like not at all. It's just like there are few places where I need, like there are few spots here. So to conceal that sometimes I need it, but yes, its coverage is very good, this MAC coverage, that's why you really don't need it. So yeah, that's why I love this product, man. One last dab, then good to go. Guys, why I used to dab it a lot, because the more you dab, the more flawless your skin will look like. So yeah, that's why it's important. So yeah, it's done. Next, alright, so I'm gonna use this mascara, this Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. Okay, so okay, so I'm gonna use it as my eyebrow pencil. So if you don't have eyebrow pencil, don't cry, baby. You can do it with your mascara. So can you see the difference? It's done. Yeah. So without eyebrow pencil भी आप आराम से कर सकते हो अपने eyebrows with mascara. So yeah, and now मैं अपने lashes कर लूँ फटाफट. So guys, अगर आप काजल वाजल नहीं भी करते हो and if you are doing your lashes well, you are done. Your eyes are done. I love this mascara, man. This is so good. Can you see this? Can you see the difference? तो मैं प्रोडक्ट की डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, यू गाइस कैन जस्ट चेक इट आउट. सो कैन यू सी द डिफरेंस? और सो मैं फटाफट इसमें भी कर लूँ. तो गाइस इफ योर लैशेस आर डन वेल नाउ, you don't need anything else, like no liner, no kajal, nothing is required. Your lashes are done properly. Can you see this? Nice, no? So yeah, it's done. Now the time for third product, which is lipstick, and this is a boom product, guys, because this is gonna make a big difference on your face. So okay, so I'm gonna use this for three purposes. One is for my lips, another eyeshadow, and the blush. So फटाफट करते हैं. Can you see the difference, man? Like, that's why I said it's a boom product. I generally use matte lipstick, but this time I'm supposed to use this for so many purposes. That's why I use this. Matte के साथ आप ज़्यादा experiment नहीं कर सकते. So yeah. Okay, so lipstick is done. Now I'll take this blender. Okay, you see. I'll use this lipstick little bit. And now I'm going to use it as a blush. Ta-da! And guys, blush makes a major difference. So don't ever, forget to use blush. कुछ करो ना करो, blush कर लो यार, fresh look मिलता है. Can you see this? I use a little bit on nose. Done. ज़्यादा ही हो गया नोज में, बट ठीक है. Next. Okay, so I forget to use this little bit as a eyeshadow. ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़े से ही चाहिए बस कलर के लिए. मेरा कलर रहता है आईज में, तो इट लुक्स सो अट्रैक्टिव. आई यूज इट मोर इन द आउटर कॉर्नर. डन. ओके, सो आई एम अप्लाइंग इट थोड़ा नीचे भी. Good. You can use a brush also, but I'm quite comfortable with my finger. So yeah, it's done. So guys, do let me know in the comment section कि आपको ये proper makeup look with 3 bare minimum product के साथ कैसा लगा, क्या कमी लग रही है ये भी बताओ. And do let me know if I miss anything with these 3 product. अगर इसके साथ आप कुछ और भी experiment कर सकते हो तो do let me know in the comment section. And अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो don't forget to like the like button, subscribe the channel, bell button and all that stuff, guys. And I promise that I'll be consistent here. I know it's been long that I filmed a video for my channel, but as I told, it's always better than the never. So yeah, that's all, you guys. Sayonara. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.